months and years, making this our character, making young minds a little more aware, letting them know they don't really care. So join us and make us strong, a safe society is where we must belong. Join us and make us strong, a safe society is where we must belong. Cities from despair. All that we ask for is your support and your care. Join FSAI for where we stand tall. Join us in our march for this is nation's call. Join us and make us strong, a safe society is where we must belong. Join us strong, a safe society is where we must belong.
खतरों से करें अपनों की सुरक्षा, यही है अपनी जिम्मेदारी। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब। आग, पानी, हवा या कैसी भी हो विपदा, हर हाल में बरतें होशियारी। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब। आओ मिलके रखें नींव एक सुरक्षित भारत की, एक उज्जवल भविष्य की, यही है तैयारी। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Fire defense is common sense, but common sense is not commonly found. Come, join the movement with FSAI. Become aware of your safety.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank you for joining the virtual launch of Varadhi 2021. I'm sure you may be wondering, what is this event called Varadhi? Varadhi in Telugu means a bridge. Thanks to the lockdown, we have all noticed and participated in a series of webinars. We, the Hyderabad team of FSAI, wanted to develop something different. Hence, we conceptualized a platform where the user and the producer interact. Hence, this bridge called Varadhi, between the users and the producers. The format is conceptualized to make life easy for the users by ensuring that the questions are answered by experts from the manufacturing fraternity. The fire and security business has been in existence for quite some time. And with the rapid change in technology, the product life cycles are getting shorter. Yes, this is a double-edged sword. On one side, we are seeing cutting-edge technology products being developed and installed. And at the same time, we have a lot of legacy installations which are not as smart as today's products. In this event, we will be answering all questions right from solutions for issues in the legacy product and also the technical glitches and solutions for the new age products. We will also discuss about retrofits for the legacy products. It is a 2-day event. Day 1 is dedicated to fire and day 2 to security, automation, and IPMS. To make the most of the event, we will have to have as many questions as possible. There is no question which is right or wrong. Hence, I request each one of you to persuade each one of your connection from the fraternity to ask as many questions as possible. The more the questions, the more the solutions we'll have. It will not only benefit the person who has asked the question, but also benefit the other members who are attending. The success of this event lies solely on getting as many questions as possible. Now, may I request the National President of FSAI, Mr. Suresh Menon, to formally launch the landing page of Varadhi 2021. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening. On behalf of 8,500 plus members of Fire and Security Association of India, I would like to wish you and your family a very happy and safe New Year. May your New Year bring you reasons to smile. May the New Year 2021 bring you more love, happiness, and blessings. We at FSA are continuously working towards our vision, Surakshit Bharat. This new year, we are coming to you with greater determination to achieve what we missed last year due to pandemic. As you all know, FSAI's basic objective is to spread the awareness of fire, life safety, and security. Our dream is to make safety a way of life. We want every Indian to practice safe living. This new year, to achieve our objective, Hyderabad chapter under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Manoj Balakrishnan and Mr. Manoj Wahi have conceptualized a new and unique program. I'm also extremely thankful to the senior leadership of Hyderabad of Mr. Srinivas Valuri, Mr. Shravan, and Mr. Shashank for curating and nurturing this beautiful concept called Varadhi. During this pandemic and lockdown, FSA conducted many webinars touching on various subjects of great importance. But Varadhi will be that bridge which will connect our members with experts one-on-one. Varadhi will be that bridge which connects end users with manufacturers. A true platform to connect our members across India. A platform to discuss their technical questions, their doubts, and most importantly, a platform to get answers. Today, we are launching our landing page. Shoot your questions on this landing page. Our experts will answer your questions on 22nd and 23rd January between 3:30 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Varadhi is an initiative of FSAI's Hyderabad chapter, but anyone from any part of India can post your questions at our Varadhi page. And you be rest assured, an expert will answer this on 22nd and 23rd January 2021. So remember www.fsa.in/Varadhi. That is where you need to park your questions now. I'm happy, extremely happy to launch Varadhi and the landing page for your questions. Special thanks to our title sponsor, Orient Fire Curtains and Fuji Electric. Also thanks to the day sponsors, Astral Pipes, and session sponsors, Orient Fire and Gallagher. All the best once again. Jai Hind.
Good evening, everybody. It's my honor to present the vote of thanks for the launch of Varadhi. First of all, thank you to the National President at FSAI, and the national team for ably supporting and working tirelessly to make it happen at the national level. The FSCI team at Bangalore in supporting the logistics and the creatives. The Vardhi core team at FSCI Hyderabad chapter who conceptualized this first of its kind initiative and put in a lot of effort and meticulous planning in stitching this program together. The CWC of FSCI Hyderabad chapter in supporting it all along. All the sponsors for supporting the event, as they are the backbone in making such events reach out to the audience. To our technology partner Go2Tech for creating the right platform for hosting this event. And to all of you for attending the launch and setting the tone for a unique event to follow. See you all at the Vardhi event. Take care and stay safe.